Going to write JAMB this year or next year or very soon, and you need to know how to properly select the subjects you'll be writing. Of course, I'm sure you know that JAMB is about 4 subjects. You don't write 9 subjects like you do in WAEC. So it's about 4 subjects. Use of English is compulsory. So in this video, you are watching this video so that you will learn how to combine those other 3 subjects with use of English because of the course you will be studying. So just follow me. If you are confused, I will be guiding you. I will point out those particular subjects you need to write depending on the courses. So I'll be moving from one course to the other. Now, if you don't choose your course very well, if you don't choose the subjects you'll be writing in your JAMB very well, you may not be able to get admission. For instance, if somebody that wants to do law and you are writing biology or chemistry, there's no way you get admission. If you want to do biochemistry and you don't even write biology, there's no way you get admission. So follow me as I point out those things for you so that you don't make any mistake in filling your JAMB form. Okay? There are 3 things you need to bear in mind while choosing a course to study. Your interest. What is your interest? Where are you? Where do you have strength? Which subject do you do very well in? If you are struggling so much with calculation, then no need to do calculation courses now, like mathematics, all those things that will demand you to study physics, chemistry, and maths. So know your area of interest and strength. Your future career goal. What do you want to study in future? Which career do you see yourself pursuing? Then don't choose a course because they are popular. Like, I want to be a pilot, I want to be a medical doctor, I want to be a lawyer, I want to be an engineer. Choose a course because that's really what you see yourself pursuing in the future. Okay. Let's now take those things out one after the other. Let's now go from one course to the other. Okay? For you. Common JAMB subject combinations for different courses. If you'll be writing medicine, you will be writing English, biology, chemistry, and physics. Medicine is English, biology, chemistry, and physics. Engineering, whether I did computer engineering, I have friends that did chemical engineering and metallurgical engineering and all the rest. Any branch of engineering you want to enter, you will need to do English, mathematics, chemistry, and physics. No biology. English, mathematics, chemistry, and physics. Remember to also comment under this video. Tell me the particular course you want to study. If I didn't mention them here, I can also start guiding you. And if you watch this video from beginning to the end, I can send you material, syllabus, past questions, and other guiding materials free of charge that will help you to pass your JAMB. So if you're going to do pharmacy, you need to focus on English, biology, chemistry, physics. If you'll be doing nursing, you need to focus on English, biology, chemistry, physics. Okay? If you'll be doing biochemistry, focus on English, biology, chemistry, physics. If you are focusing on microbiology as a course, you need to study English, biology, chemistry, physics. I will soon mention your own course. Agricultural science, you need to focus on English, biology, chemistry, then agricultural science. Okay? Law. I want to be a lawyer, I want to be a barrister, I want to be a magistrate. Okay? Focus on English, literature, government, and one other art subject, which could be economics, CRS, or IRS. Then history, English, literature, government, then any of these. Okay, let's keep on. For your other subjects, just follow me. For your other courses that I might not have mentioned, they are covered here. Just follow me. I will read them out for you immediately. Okay. Those other courses that I have not mentioned, if you want to do, okay, just follow me. You want to do accounting. If you want to do accounting, you need to do English, mathematics, economics, and one other subject, which could be government or business studies. You want to do political science, you have to focus on English, government, literature, or economics. Then one other subject like CRS or IRS, then history. You want to do international relations, focus on English, government, literature, or economics, then one other subject like history or IRS or CRS. If you want to do mass communication, focus on English, literature, government, or economics, then one other subjects like history, IRS, and CRS. CRS is Christian Religious Studies, IRS is Islamic Religious Studies. I hope you are following. If you want to do English and literature, study English literature, then one other art subject like government, history, or CRS, then one other subject like economics. If you want to do history, study English, history, government, and one other subject like literature, economics. If you want to do philosophy, study English, government, literature, or CRS, then one other subject. Okay? Just follow me. If you want to study insurance, so you need to focus on English, mathematics, economics, and one other subject like government or commerce. If you want to study computer science, so you need to focus on English, mathematics, physics, and one other subjects like chemistry or economics. If you want to study information technology, study English, mathematics, physics, and one other subject like chemistry or economics. If you want to study statistics, focus on English, mathematics, economy, and one other subject like government or commerce. If you want to study dentistry, then the subject has to be English, that is use of English, biology, chemistry, physics. You want to study veterinary medicine, study right English, biology, chemistry, physics. Public health is English, biology, chemistry, physics, or mathematics. Environmental science has to be English, mathematics, physics, or chemistry and or geography. Estate management, study English, mathematics, economics, one other subject like government or geography. If you want to study surveying or geoinformatics, study English, mathematics, physics, geography. If you want to study agri-economics, study English, mathematics, economics, and agri-science. You want to study animal science, study English, biology, chemistry, agriculture. Remember that English is always compulsory. Now, if there's any of your subjects that I had not mentioned, if there's any of your subjects that I did not mention, feel free to come under this video and tell me that I did not mention any course. Maybe I did not mention the course you plan to study. Just come under this video and tell me your course that you want to study that I have not mentioned, and I will find the subjects out for you. Remember, don't make any mistake. You don't need to make any mistake in filling your JAMB form, in filling the subjects you will write. So just let me know if there is anywhere you need me to guide you, and I will just guide you. Do you understand? So just do your best. We wish you all the best in this your exam. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, this is the right time to subscribe. Come under this video and tell me you have subscribed. Share with me the course we will be studying so that we could start helping you. I wish you all the best in your exam.